The next topic we are going to start is dynamic constructors. Like we have default constructor, parameterized constructor, copy constructor. Similarly, we have dynamic constructor as well. So what is a dynamic constructor? A constructor in which you allocate the memory dynamically, that is through new operator, is known as your dynamic constructor. Now if you see here, what is the definition written? If we allocate dynamic memory inside the definition of any type of constructor, either default or parameterized using new malloc or calloc, then that type of constructor is known as dynamic constructor. Secondly, it is means by using this constructor we can dynamically initialize the objects of the class. Now let us move to the example. So the first basic example that I have done is the very simple example I have done. What I have done here is I have created a default constructor, a variable declared of int type, that is a pointer variable. Now if a pointer variable, I need to allocate it in memory, a is equal to new int and assigning it a value 45. Now memory allocation done in a constructor, so this is your dynamic constructor. Other, I have taken a display function where I have written cout star a demo d. The moment I write demo d, default constructor is called, that is this constructor is called, and value 45 is assigned to star a. After that, d dot display. This is the first basic program of your dynamic constructor. If we execute, see here, what is the answer? 45. Now the next example that I'm going to do for dynamic constructor is for the string. Now what I have done here is I have taken a string char star name, that is a string, and a length variable I have taken. I'll let you know why I have taken this. Now again, memory allocated dynamically in a constructor, so dynamic constructor. Moving to the main function. Now in main function, what I have done here is I have taken three objects, n1, n2, n3. Now in these three objects, what I am going to do is I am going to pass the strings. One way of taking a string is this, and I am passing it in first object. In second object I am directly passing, in third object I am directly passing the string. Now if we move to the constructor, strn1 first. What is first? A, B, C, D, E, F. Means if here I am having a string parameter, here also string parameter must be there. I have taken here char star s. Now how I would come to know that how many memory I need to allocate? So what I am going to do is I am going to use length to store the length of, or to find out the length of the string. First A, B, C, D, E, F passed to S. Now what S is having? A, B, C, D, E, F. Now finding of the length, strlen is a function that is used to find the length of the string. Now length is of integer type, whatever will be the length. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the length, it is stored in length. Now I come to know my string is 6 characters long. Now if you remember, I need one memory location extra to store the null character. So what I have done in the next, name is equal assignment operator, new char length plus 1, memory allocated to my this string, and in the end what I'm going to do, where is the string? In s. S is a local variable where it should be in the data member name. So strcpy copy s to name, value copied. Here I can display the name and length. Similarly for n2 and n3. Now if you see n1 dot show, n2 dot show, n3 dot show function. If I execute, see here, ABCDF length 6, ABCD length 4, ABCDE length 5.